Hey guys, Derek here with another episode of Fun with Linux. So I decided that I'm not just going to be showing you stuff and building things, I'm going to do tips too, not like really boring, here's how you enable updates and that's it. Nothing like that. Just when I see something cool and interesting that you can do with the power of Linux, I'm going to show you. So in this video, we're going to be doing a trick that I have known about for years. Now basically, because I'm a cheap guy, when music comes out sometimes, they often release it on Spotify. So with the power of Audacity and the power of Pulse Audio Volume Control Manager and the Pulse Audio server itself, you can actually record any music input in Linux or whatever straight up into Audacity and encode it and everything right there. And I've done entire albums like that, encoded it myself, and it sounds perfectly fine. I'm going to show you proof of concept. I have to play a song that isn't copyrighted, so I'm going to do that. But, so this is how this whole thing works. So you probably can't hear this, or maybe you can, because it's recording through my microphone and the audio isn't being picked up through the screen recorder. But if you look over here, this is playing. And my mic might be picking it up too. Anyways, so the audio is playing, and basically what you can do is, I'm going to turn the volume down. You can play this, you can go over here and see where everything is going. And as you can see the audio stream coming in here. That's not the important part. We need to go to the recording part. Now I'm recording from my media USB device, my own audio, but if you press record on here, it's not picking up anything. We go back to here, and all we need to do is set it to monitor of built-in analog. And now I can go back to VLC, and I can turn this up. Now this is just a proof of concept. I don't endorse recording audio that may or may not be sketchy, but it is really useful if you're working on, say, like a YouTube video, or you're trying to get sound from something and you don't want to download it, or the program won't let you. Like if the website just decides that you're not allowed to do that, it's definitely a proof of concept. And Pulse Audio is incredibly powerful. And when you're all done, all you really got to do is stop it and find what you want, and you can, like, say I want to cut here. I can press Control A, delete everything, go to the start, press paste, and then I've got my intro. I can edit it and do whatever, and then at the end of the day I can just export the audio. If you have any tips or anything you want to request me to do, I guess that's great. Stipulation though, as I said, these tips are not going to be video tutorials where I show you how to use Linux and set up your themes and stuff. If I see something really cool and something really useful in Linux, I'm going to make a video about it, just like I showed you how to use the Pulse Audio sound server to essentially, use it to your advantage and pipe it through to Audacity to record your own audio files from literally anything playing sound on the desktop. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I'm working on something pretty cool for next week. Hopefully I'm going to be getting the podcast going soon. I don't know when that's going to happen, because my friend who is going to be a co-host, hopefully we need to figure out a way to do this with our schedules and everything. So I hope that all works out. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Also, don't worry, I'm not going to turn every episode into a screencast video. Like I know the Chromecast, I know the Chromebook video did very well, and I'm looking to do more builds, but I don't know how I'm going to do it yet. But I'm thinking of making an episode on how to build a NAS or a home theater out of a Odroid hobby board, because it's got better memory and stuff. But anyways, more on that later. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time.